Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents with your S Pen. First, make sure your S Pen is ready to go, fully charged and connected to your device. Next, find the document you need to sign, whether it's a PDF or another file type, stored on your tablet or phone. Then, open it up using a suitable application, like a PDF viewer or your device's built-in note-taking tool, to begin the signing process. Once your document is open, it's time to prepare for signing. Look for the annotation or writing mode within your app. It's usually an icon resembling a pen or pencil. Tap on it to activate your S Pen's capabilities. Then, select the pen tool and pick a clear color, such as black or blue, for your signature. You can also adjust the pen's thickness to make your signature look just right. Now for the main event, signing your document. With the pen tool active, simply use your S Pen to write your signature directly onto the designated line or area. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. Most apps offer an undo button or an eraser tool to fix any errors. You can also often resize or move your signature after it's placed, ensuring it fits perfectly. After successfully signing, the final step is to save and share your document. Look for a save icon, usually a floppy disk or a check mark, and tap it to save your changes. Many apps will prompt you to save it as a new file, which is a good practice to keep the original untouched. Give it a descriptive name, like Signed Document, and then you can easily share it via email or any other sharing option available on your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.